Hello everybody and welcome to my presentation Garbage Crisis, topic Ecology, author Tamирис Несбекова and project manager Gульзира Базильбековна, class 8. In the finished project on ecology Garbage Crisis, the questions of a sociological survey on the problem of utilization of household waste in our country are presented, as well as an analysis of the answers of respondents to these questions. The key problems of waste processing in Kazakhstan are identified, and options for their solution are proposed and described in detail based on the experience of progressive states. The topic of the students' research and environmental project on the topic garbage crisis is relevant since environmental pollution by industrial and household waste remains one of the main problems of mankind. Unlike organic waste, which decays throughout the year, plastic and polyethylene predominate among the waste, which aggravates the ecological situation on our planet. Conventionally, the history of waste in the world can be divided into two stages. Stage 1 until the 19th century. In those days, the issue of environmental pollution was not so acute. Stage 2 from the beginning of the 19th century. It was this time that can be considered the birthplace of modern waste. In the middle of the 20th century, European countries began to try to solve the issue of garbage. This process was called waste immigration. Mass export of waste from Europe to third world countries, mainly to Africa, began. Thus, garbage in less than 2 centuries occupied almost the entire planet. In modern Kazakhstan, the situation with garbage remains as bad. A huge number of repositories for various classes of waste are located on the territory of our country. More than half of the respondents are now ready to sort garbage for one reason or another. The project presents 5 ways to dispose of garbage not sorted by residents, 2 of which involve sorting at a waste recycling plant. In a separate section, the experience of foreign countries is presented, whose residents are aware of the need for sorting garbage. Landfills. The cheapest way to get rid of household waste is to dispose of them. In 20th century, it became necessary to move from the spontaneous creation of landfills to the design and implementation of special engineering facilities, landfills for disposal of household waste. Unfortunately, in Kazakhstan, a large place is occupied by landfills. There are no other ways to dispose of garbage, or there are very few of them. Sweden. According to the Swedish Waste Management Association Avfallsverket, Sweden recycles 99% of household waste, which is one of the highest in the world. Almost half of the country's waste is incinerated, but only after careful sorting. Plastic, paper, food waste is used for processing or biogas production. Recovery of useful properties of waste is a priority. Burial in landfills take the last place in the hierarchy. Only that garbage with which nothing more can be done goes to the landfill. Currently, industrial enterprises arranging landfills receive only an administrative fine, and ordinary residents, more often than not, can generally throw away rubbish on the street. It is necessary to strengthen control over industrial enterprises that don't comply with the rules for waste disposal, up to stopping their activities until violations are eliminated. Thank you for watching.